Hi everyone, in this video you should learn about PL-SQL. PL-SQL means Procedure Language Structured Query Language. Here especially PL-SQL is available in Archil only. So Archil provide conditional control operations by using the PL-SQL. So let's get started here. What are all the main blocks available in PL/SQL? So here declare statement, it's an optional actually. So in declare statement, we want to declare any kind of the variable we can declare by using this method. So here these all are the number variables. That means these all are the number data type. So if we want to use a different data types, so we can use the Oracle data types, so like varchar, char, same like. So here in declare, it's an optional. We can declare the values. Next, begin. It's an mandatory. Here, what I am doing, just summation of the two numbers. Here I am doing. Next, DBMS output put line. So this is same like a print statement. Exception, it's an also optional block. Let me run this. So let me execute. Yeah. So 10, 20, 30. The summation of 10 and 20 is 30. And here also, if you are declaring with the begin, so mandatory you should have to end with the end statement. So it's a mandatory. Begin is mandatory. Apart from begin, declare and exception, it's an optional. So here we'll discuss about conditional control loops. So here, first of all, it's an if statement, same like for true condition, it's an if statement, same like declare, I'm declaring a number, the value is greater than 0, then it's a positive number. Let me run this. You can see it's a simple if. Yeah, only true value it will print here. Okay. Next, if we have true and false condition, next we can use if and else. So this is the syntax. You can see here I am declaring the number, it's a negative number. Next, to begin, the value is greater than 0, then it's a positive number. Else, the value it's a negative number or not a positive number. Let me run this. Yeah, you can see here not a positive number. So it's an if else. Next, nested if else. So here you can see. Yeah, here what I did, declare, I have declared one number. Here begin, so the value whatever I have given which is greater than 0, then it's a positive number. Or else. Here again else block, I have created two if and else condition. So here it's a nested if else. You can declare if else inside the if else condition, we can call as the nested if else. Let me run this. Yeah, you can see it's a positive number. So how the value equal to 10, so the value is greater than 10, automatically it will comes to this if condition, automatically it will print the value, it's a positive number. Okay. Next, it's a else if ladder. So let me run this. Declare, I have assigned a value is 75. Based on the condition, the value should be available in between. Here you can see here grade B. Let me run this. You can see here grade B. So it's a else if ladder. That means if it is condition, again it will comes to sub condition. So at that moment we can use the else if ladder. So these all are the basic if and else conditions. And PL/SQL supports loops also. Here you can see it's a while loop. So let me explain here. I am declaring the value, and again I am iterating the value here. So first of all I have declared 1, the value is less than 5, it will print up to here. Let me run this, you will get the some idea. 1 2 3 4 5. So if value is less than or equal to 5, automatically it will end the loop. This is the simple while condition. So Apart from while, it will support to for loop also. You can see here I have declared the value up to 1 to 5. Next to I am printing the value. After that I am ending the loop. Here you can see, yeah, same value 1 2 3 4 5. Either you can use the while condition or for loop condition. So apart from that, we have exit conditions also. One is exit and the second one is continue. I will explain about exit and continue in detail here. So let me run this query. In which use case we are using the exit and in which use case we are using the continue. First of all, I will explain about the difference between the exit and continue. Let me run this. So I am trying to print the value between 1 to 10. Here, if the value is satisfied at condition equal to 6, automatically it will exit from the loop. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The value is comes at 5, and if it is reaches value is equal to 6, automatically it will exit from the loop automatically. This is about the exit. Next, what continue will do? This is also same like exit, but only difference is it will skip the matched value. You can see here, yeah, it will skip the matched value and it will print the remaining values. So in exit condition, it will automatically comes out from the loop if condition matches. Okay, if condition matches, automatically it will exit from the loop. But in continue statement, the condition matches automatically, okay, it will skip the value. Rest of the remaining value will be printed. So this is about to uh, exit and continue, the difference between the exit and continue. So apart from that, it will support to another loop also apart from while and for loop. So it's a simple loop based on when condition it will exit. So let me run this. Yeah, you can see here automatically if the value is greater than 5, it will exit from the loop. Here you can see automatically exit when condition is true. Okay, apart from that, so we can use exception also. Previously also I have explained it. Declare it's an optional and exception also an option. Okay, so let me run this. Yeah, we can use exceptions for any error handling related. In this use case we don't have any error, so that is the reason it is not showing any kind of the exception. But here you can see here 1 divided by 0. Okay, the value is undefined. Let me run this. Automatically you can see an error. Yeah, let me run this. So here divisor is equal to 0. That means it's an error. If you are using an exception, it will throw an error automatically if something is wrong in the existing condition. So that's all about this video. Thank you guys.